Hello everybody, Brandon here, Stardog's Boneyard. 1966 Jeep J3000 truck, getting back at it. It was stacked during a storage season. You can see here I put the cab up on top of the bed. Anyways, this weekend we did put the cab and the bed back on the frame. This thing has been a lot of fun. It's been a really long project. If you've been watching the channel for any amount of time, I'm sure you have seen it. Yeah, lots of work gone into this guy. Anyways, we're gonna wash the tailgate here. I don't know the last time it's been washed, but we're gonna wash it up. Just so size reference, I took some measurements here. The top of the bed is 58 inches. That's 4 foot 10 inches tall. To the bottom of the frame, we're about 29 1/4.